Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Please check out the description box for all the nice links. Also, drop a like and subscribe if you like the content. So here I am. This is me. I don't make videos like this. Very rarely have I shown my face, but here I am, and I'm sure you guys are like, what the hell's going on? Well, I just want to say that just right off the bat, I'll keep making all these videos about game development and all that stuff. I know this series has been a little long on the RPG series, right? But I'm planning on just keeping working on that. And if you guys want other types of series, I'll look into it. I do have a full-time job now, so it's kind of a little update. So from 7 to 6, 7-ish, kind of, since I have to drive 1 hour there and back. So from 6 or 7 to about 6, 7-ish, almost 12 hours I'll be working, right? So videos won't be that frequent, but the thing is I'm gonna start putting out regular videos, right? Like videos like this, videos like me just doing stuff, random kind of traveling videos, all kinds of stuff. So, but it won't cut back on the programming videos, so don't worry about that. It's just that I just want to let you know, because this channel is about just about everything and anything I enjoy. I like making content. I like kind of putting out content for you guys, and it's not the best channel on YouTube. It's not the most professional one, and it definitely isn't the biggest one. So, you know, but that doesn't matter, since I still think it's really fun, and I really enjoy all you guys and all your support. So I'll keep doing what I'm doing. It's just that I'll keep making, or I'll start making some new types of videos and putting those out. So for those of you who are interested in just seeing what I do for my day-to-day life and just regular stuff, go ahead and check it out. There'll be edited videos, like, you know, just vlogish type things, and there'll be just unedited clips that I'll put out. So there'll be a lot of videos coming out. So if you're really bothered by that, you know, I'm sorry, but I'll try to keep the quality up anyway. But there you go. That's about it. That's all I want to say. And also, just as always, thank you for the support. Thank you guys for sticking with me and just taking care of me in my tough times. No, but you just, you know, all your kind words and everything, they really help to keep me going. And yeah. And just a shout out to the mods on the Discord as well. Great job, guys. Thanks for all the help. I haven't been active for a while, since all the traveling this summer. But it's been cool, you know, it's been cool. I just got married as well. So there you go. And yeah, there'll be a lot of things to do, a lot of things to come. So thanks, take care, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.